Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic deviled egg. I'm going to be cooking the eggs in the quick cooker, and I'm going to be using one of our stackable steaming racks that you can get for the quick cooker. You can use 2 of them, so you could do a total of 24 eggs at one time. If you don't have the quick cooker, of course, you can always boil your eggs on a stovetop. So I'm going to just be doing 6 eggs today. Once you get them all ready to go, you're just going to add a cup of water to your quick cooker. Lift up your eggs and set them on in. And then you will gently just fold the handles over. And if you were going to be doing 2 at this point, you could put the second one right on top, fold the handles over. And you just put your lid on. So we're just going to be doing a custom setting, full pressure, and we're going to drop the time to 12 minutes. And once it is done, I'm just going to do a manual release. So I'm going to be cooking mine for 12 minutes. I have tried doing the 5-5-5 method, which is 5 minutes pressure, 5-minute natural release, 5-minute ice bath. Mine just turned into a soft boil, so if you're looking for a soft boil egg, that would work for you, but it just didn't work for me. Our 12 minutes is up, so I'm going to go ahead and do a manual release. Just going to be using my microwave grippers because the metal does get hot. And now I'm just going to put the eggs in an ice bath, which helps stop them from cooking. You're just going to want to leave them in there till they're just cool enough so you can touch them and peel them so they don't burn your hands. So mine have been in the ice bath for about 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab one. And I personally like to peel mine on a paper towel. Once I get them peeled, I do like to rinse them off real quick. I usually just have a little cup of water. And then I give them a little shake. So like I said, sometimes your eggs peel really nice and just sometimes they don't. But you keep going with it because they're still gonna taste good. Once you get them all peeled, I do like to dry them off. And then all I do is cut the egg right in half. And pop the yolk into a container. And you're gonna do that with all your eggs. Once you have all the yolks in your container, I'm just gonna take my mix and mash and I'm gonna just mash them up. I like to do it until it's kind of a grainy looking texture. You just don't want any large clumps of the yolk left over. Now all I add to mine is salt and pepper. And since this was only 6 eggs, I'm just gonna put in a 1/4 cup of mayo. I personally prefer Hellmann's mayo, but you are free to use whatever mayo you prefer. And then you just mix it up. And once it's all mixed up, you're ready to put it back inside your egg. I'm going to be using the Easy Accent Decorator. I think it makes the egg look a little fancier, but you can easily just take a spoon or whatever you use to mix it up and just slowly scrape it back in. Now you're just going to squish it down till it's right to the tip and fill them up. There you go. You can top them with whatever you like. I prefer to just put a little sprinkle of paprika on top of mine. And that's it. Now you have an easy appetizer you can take over to a friend's house or even something you can serve on the side of your main dish. All right, guys, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.